Hello there, savvy viewers. Welcome back to Invest IQ. Today, we've got a topic that can transform your financial life: creating a personal budget. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to master your money like a pro. The importance of budgeting. Let's dive right in with why budgeting is crucial. Many of us find ourselves overwhelmed with bills, loans, and expenses. A budget is your lifeline to financial peace. It helps you take control and have clarity over your money. Set your financial goals. To kick off your budget, you'll want to set clear financial goals. It could be saving for an emergency fund, a dream vacation, or investing for retirement. Having these goals in mind gives your budget purpose. Income and expenses. Now, let's talk about income and expenses. Your income includes your salary, any side hustles, and other sources of money. Expenses are everything you spend on, from rent and groceries to your morning coffee. Understanding your cash flow is crucial. Tracking your spending. To create an effective budget, start by tracking your spending. There are amazing apps out there that make it easy, helping you see where your money goes. Remember, awareness is the first step to control. Creating the budget. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of creating your budget. Start by listing your sources of income and categorizing your expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your financial inflow and outflow. Allocating funds. With your income and expenses listed, allocate funds to each category. Be realistic and make sure your spending aligns with your financial goals. Remember, it's okay to adjust as needed. Review and adjust. Your budget isn't set in stone. Regularly review and adjust it as your life changes. This flexibility is the key to a successful budget that adapts to your evolving financial situation. Stick to your budget. Finally, sticking to your budget takes commitment. Avoid impulsive purchases and stay disciplined. Focus on your financial goals, and the results will be worth it. So, there you have it, your guide to creating a personal budget. With a well-crafted budget, you'll be in control of your finances, paving the way for a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. And remember, if you want to create your online business and start making money online, even if you are a total newbie, check the link in my bio to get started on that amazing journey.